Well, here we are at part 2 of farm hopping, and here it is. Here are the goods. This is what we got during our trip. Blueberries, the yellow potatoes, which we're going to pressure can, some red pepper, organic eggs, string beans, garlic, plum tomatoes, and basil for our marinara, raw milk, and we have our corn here. Here's our corn, onion, we have fresh beef from cow farm, celery, carrots, see the beefsteak, tomatoes there, cabbage. Here we have arugula, then we have some mint, and we have dill, and we have our kirby cucumbers for pickling. So we did a very good haul. It's a very small haul. Normally my hauls are double this amount, but I got what I needed, and that's what's really important. So now let's get to work. We have to dehydrate, we have to can, we have to ferment. Let's get going. Sauerkraut is done. On to the potato canning. Most of the canning jars I use are the ball jars, and you probably do too, but I do have a Kerr jar, and I love using this jar because it makes me smile, just because the history of this company is very unique and very inspiring. And let me tell you about it. Alexander H. Kerr was a poor Pennsylvania man with little education. Tired and broke, Alexander attended a D.L. Moody crusade and got saved and began tithing himself. Soon he found a job working in a glass factory and eventually purchased a small glass manufacturing plant in San Francisco, California. When the San Francisco earthquake occurred, entire city blocks were leveled. But the factory that made his glass jar was untouched. Not one of his jars was smashed. He attributed the miracle to God and to his devotion to tithing. Inside each case of Kerr jars was a leaflet teaching on the importance of tithing and giving to your church. When the Kerr Company expanded, making commercial glass bottles, the Kerr Company refused to make liquor bottles. Alexander Kerr died in 1925, a very wealthy, successful man. Our potatoes are ready to go.